Welcome back to Turbo Car Choice, the place where luxury, power, and future cars come together. If you love premium SUVs that mix royal comfort with insane performance, today's video is going to blow your mind. Get ready to experience the 2026 white shiny Bentley Bentayga, a luxury SUV that doesn't just move on the road, it rules it. The moment you see the 2026 Bentley Bentayga in glossy white, you instantly feel its presence. The bold front grille, finished with signature chrome detailing, gives it a commanding look, while the round LED matrix headlights add a modern yet classic Bentley touch. The sculpted hood and smooth body lines reflect light beautifully, making this SUV look like a rolling piece of art. From every angle, the Bentayga screams elegance and authority. Step inside, and you enter a world where craftsmanship meets technology. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, real wood veneers, and polished metal accents. Every stitch feels handcrafted, because it is. The 2026 Bentayga offers advanced infotainment with a large touchscreen, digital driver display, and premium sound system that turns every drive into a concert. Rear seat passengers enjoy limousine-level comfort with massage, climate control, and endless legroom. Under the hood, the 2026 Bentley Bentayga delivers serious power. With refined engine options designed for both performance and smooth cruising, this luxury SUV accelerates effortlessly while remaining whisper quiet inside. The adaptive air suspension glides over rough roads, making long drives feel relaxing and short drives unforgettable. Despite its size, the Bentayga handles corners with surprising confidence. Safety and technology are taken to the next level in this model. The 2026 Bentayga comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, night vision, and 360-degree cameras. Bentley has made sure you feel secure, confident, and in complete control at all times. What truly sets the white shiny Bentley Bentayga apart is its ability to blend luxury with everyday usability. It's not just a show car for rich garages, it's a powerful SUV you can drive daily while enjoying 5-star comfort. So if you're looking for an SUV that represents status, performance, and unmatched luxury, the 2026 Bentley Bentayga stands at the top of the game. This is not just transportation, this is a lifestyle. Thanks for watching Turbo Car Choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next ride.